Hello and welcome. I'm at CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart. Got this Just Camp Active T7052 EB, which I'm going to show you rather quickly. 82,000 euros, 740 centimeters long, height 294, width 233, inner height, standing height 213. Lots of standing height it can give you, but not when you come in, because there's a bed up here. This is a bed, but even so, even standing under the bed as I am now, just to demonstrate, there's plenty of space, right? Coming to the back, we've got this German layout. We've got storage at the back, daft shelves over here, can't see the point of that. We've got a window in either side, as well as a very nice window in the roof. We've got storage under the bed, as you'd expect, steps up to the bed. The ladder is there for when this part here is out. That's a bit stiff, but it'll come to about here, and that will, you get in via the ladder because you can't get access via the steps, but you makes a really big bed. There'll be an infill somewhere, probably in there. Here we have the shower, the duckboards there. Shower seems a bit thin actually. I mean, I do appreciate that the wall sort of tapers back, gives you a bit more space in there, but it does seem a bit on the thin side. What have we got in here? That's the toilet. Toilet space. Close the door there behind me, and gives you an idea of the toilet. And so you can close it off from the front. Note also though that there was the space above the door. Small corner kitchen, probably something more equivalent to a van, which is maybe even 6 meters in length. 2 burners and a sink. We've got storage, of course, below it. That's a place for these coffee pods, I think. This is quite nice because that's got a lot of space up there. Notice we've also got space below the bed, and the bed will come down electronically. There's be a ladder somewhere to get into the bed up there. Here we have a tower fridge, lots of space around the table. It's got a fresh look to it, I'd have to say. Looks clean. A step there, and there's a step at the back. I don't like steps in motorhomes. I'd rather have a double floor. And you'd have to pay a bit more money though to get a double floor. So there you go. We've done this one in under 3 minutes, which was my aim. Just Camp Active T7052 EB from Dethleffs. Thanks for watching.